I'm going to skip down because maybe I put it in the wrong spot, but right here it says confirm one-click entries. If you set this to true, while you have this set to one click, so if you have entry type one click and confirm one-click entries to true, you will get an extra window when you hit the buy button. So let me show you. I'm going to sell this grid right now, and you'll see what I mean. It's not going to enter. Alright, and so instead of entering right away, which one-click entry normally does, it brings up this second alert window. So it's just saying manual trade short one-click entry, enter trade. So it's one extra step. It prevents you from maybe accidentally hitting the buy button and getting in a trade. Maybe you were just looking at the chart. You just want to drag it up, and your mouse slipped off and it hit the buy button. If you want this extra confirmation there, it's there for you. You don't have to use it. I don't normally use it, but I've made a mistake before. I've clicked the buy button on accident. So this is there to protect you from that.